Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I am the owner and artist at the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. I'm also a Dixie Belle brand ambassador. I paint furniture on the daily and I'm always looking for new ways to spice up my staging material. Today, we're going to open the new Decocrated box for fall 2021. So what's in this box? What is Decocrated? Decocrated is an amazing subscription service that sends home decor right to your door. You can order quarterly, you can order monthly, you can order add-on boxes. There's all sorts of fun and fabulous things in here that I personally use for my staging and my home decor for furniture. But you can use this to spice up your home decor every season. This is fall 2021 and I'm super excited. I love fall, I love the weather change, and I love the colors. Let's get ready to open up and see what's inside. Okay, so sometimes you see spoilers on the internet of what's inside these boxes, and I've been very careful to not look. I want to be completely surprised, and I want to use it to stage this cute little piece that I just finished right behind me. This is painted in Sun-Kissed Silk Paint by Dixie Belle, along with some Gold Digger and Moonshine Metallics. It's a gorgeous little piece, and I want to spice it up for fall. So let's jump in, open this box, and see what's inside. Okay, so inside every box, the first thing you see when you open it is this gorgeous welcome message. The stuff is always packed amazing. Everything always looks super good. Presentation, 10 out of 10 for me. I absolutely love to open a present, and this feels like a present to me. So every time you open up a new box, you're going to get a tiny little catalog in here talking, and I don't want to peek because I don't want to see what's in here, talking about what's inside the box. You're going to see different ways to use your products inside to decorate your home, curated little vignettes that you can look at and refer to set up your own style. So let's dive in. We have obviously your little book, you have your coupon, and then every box so far that I've gotten has had this cute little card in it. If you had a picture frame that fit this perfectly, you could use this to change out with your seasons for your fall decor. I see cute little bats, I see a full moon. It says fall breeze and autumn leaves. So cute. We also have some cute little stickers in here, and we're gonna get ready. Let's open this up and see what's inside. I'm gonna rip this open, never been opened before. We're gonna see what's inside. Okay, so this is super cute. I see a spider web and little fall leaves. These are tea towels. They're tea towels. So adorable. So inside we have these two tea towels. One's a fall motif, one's a Halloween motif. Let's see what else we have. All right. We always have great packaging in here, and you're never going to find anything broken. They really take extra care to make sure everything is sealed and packaged well. Total surprise, y'all. I don't know what's inside. I'm kind of excited. Oh my gosh. Look. This is a mirror. How stunning. This looks like almost like a midnight sky color. It's like in between navy and dark black. It's totally midnight sky, totally gorgeous. This is beautiful. This mirror has hooks on the back for hanging. Perfect circle. Circles are super in. I love this. That's actually going to match super great with my little table behind me. This is all a total surprise. Don't forget, I totally didn't peek. I did peek last time. This time, I did not peek. I have no idea what's inside the subscription box. I just know that it's going to curate very well together. They always make all the items match very well. You can also pull items from your previous boxes and put them together. But for me, for staging, this is the bomb because you get new items put together that are going to match well. So it takes the guesswork out of staging furniture, and it gives you the best pictures. I'm guessing candle. That's what I'm gonna guess. Let's see. Is this a candle holder? Is this a vase? Ooh, it's a candle holder. So this is wood. This is a beautiful deep wood. It's got the velvet bottom so nothing will get scratched. You can put your candle on top right here. That's going to be a great builder for height. Again, totally matches perfect with the table I just painted. I didn't plan this. This is all fate. It's honestly a little bit like Christmas. Every time I open up a box, I get very excited for all the new things that could be inside. Okay, keeping on trend with this little theme, they're obviously building in layers. They're giving you stackers. They're giving you the ability to create height when you're putting your items together, which is number one, amazing for staging, but really great when you're creating a look in your own home. Building up things in height and different levels always adds a beautiful depth when you're looking at your projects. So cute. 2 candle holders so far. Adorable. I have wanted some of these for so long. I was looking at my local decor store to buy some and I actually couldn't find what I wanted. These are amazing for stacking. And look at those fall colors. You could wrap this around the candle holders. You can use this in any kinds of different decor. These little wood beads are super cute. Super fall, super cute. This is a pumpkin. It looks like you have mixed metal with some wood. Oh my gosh, how cute that is. That's gonna pull this together and again, go with my table. I swear I didn't plan this. This is just obviously fate because this is going to match absolutely perfect for building up a fall vignette on top of my stage table. Super cute. I love metal. I actually really like metal tones. I like to mix my metals. I like golds together with iron. I think that it's a really good look. Oh my gosh, so cute. So I actually have a really big ladder that looks just like this in my bathroom that holds my towels, but it's like giant people size. This is super cute. Probably going to stack my tea towel over the edge, put it up here. Again, really great for layering. That is adorable. Look how cute that is. All of these tones go together so well. I love this fall box. So how did you like the fall 2021 Decocrated box? I really like it. I think for somebody like me who stages furniture pretty much every day, I'm painting and staging every single day, having a box that is sent to my door full of curated, matching, trendy items is something that is a valuable, valuable service. I really like the idea of having different ideas in the box, mixing and matching last season's box with this one. It is a really great deal. I think you should check it out. Thank you from the Top Drawer RVA and Decocrated.